the dash cam on all the time. The car in question stopped at the traffic lights and right in front of me rolled the window down and threw something out the window. Just so blatant and so negligent. I felt that I was going to take the time to report it. I was really impressed. I think South Gloucestershire take a very positive attitude against littering. I think it's a really important message. They realise that actually it's going to be a costly mistake and that people are being vigilant and that action will be taken. It will act as a deterrent.
Last time we cleaned up the ring road, it cost residents of South Gloucestershire over £70,000 and we collected 5 tonnes of waste. We were really pleased and thankful that this resident took the time to send us the dashcam footage they had, which helped us secure a prosecution. I hope it lets you all know how seriously we take this issue.